Asset import, it gets stuck on processing when you try to import assets in Snipe-IT. So if you have a fresh install and you're trying to import assets via web interface, you may see this problem. And in this video, we are going to discuss about how to fix that. And I also made a blog about it, so the link is given in the description of this video. You can check it out. So let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Jay Singh. Welcome to my channel, TechNext Solutions. So I already have assets, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all the assets and then I will try to import new assets. Okay, so now you can see that I do not have any assets. So what I will do, I will click on import and we will try to import. So here you can see that I have file selected. What I can do, I can select another file. So I will click on select import file and I will use sample assets.csv. So we will click on process and these are assets and I will just click on import. Okay, so you can see that it says processing, but screen, it will stay here, it won't move further. So what is the problem behind it? So the main problem is with the SMTP. Okay, so we will look at the messages and errors. So we will click on the left hand side, see the messages. We have two messages, click on that and you can actually drag it up. So here you can see that bar here. I will drag it up and you can see that it says failed to authenticate on SMTP server. And why it is actually failing on SMTP server, that's the actually first question you would ask, because maybe you haven't provided enough details about SMTP in the .env file. And here the username, it is complaining about the username. So this is the actually main problem, which is SMTP server details. It's just not that. Even importing assets, if you already have imported asset and you are trying to delete the assets, and so if we go in the settings and then purge, and if I will try to purge the assets, it will happen the same thing. So I will click on purge deleted records. So you will see that it won't do that. Okay, so the error remains the same. So it's waiting. Here you go. You can see that, oops, looks like something went wrong. And basically it is again SMTP as well. So what we will do is we will log on to Snipe-IT and we will browse to Snipe-IT root folder and we will edit .env file. Okay, so if you open .env file with Notepad, I will open it with Notepad. So it's here. So in mail driver option here, actually it is outgoing mail server settings. So you have two options. The first one is you can just turn off SMTP. Okay, so to turn it off, we will say log. Or you can actually provide all the information here and then save the file. So I've just said log and then I will save it. So I will minimize this, minimize that, and now we will go back to import and I'll go on a different browser here. I'm using Internet Explorer here. I'll go back to other browser. So here, let's go to the home page. And now we will click on import and we will try to import the assets, so which we actually imported 3 minutes ago. So we will click on process and I will import type, it is assets, and scroll down and then we will click on import. Okay, so wait for it, you will see it's success redirecting now. So it is all good now. So this is how it works. Either you have to provide SMTP details or you just say it's simply log. Okay, so once you provide SMTP details, make sure that you test your connectivity, your email connectivity, that it is working. Okay, and also other thing, we can try now purging the records. So we will go to the settings in the admin area and then click on purge deleted records. So I will type delete here and click on purge deleted records. So click on that, and before we had that screen which was saying oops, something went wrong, but now you can see that it had actually purged the old records. That's all for this video. If you feel like this video is informative, make sure you give it a thumbs up and show your support by subscribing to my channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get all the latest notifications. I will see you in the next video.